What's going on, family? Today we're going to make a quick breakfast for you. We're going to dice up some onions and some green peppers. We got some breakfast sausage, so we're going to make a little scramble today with some freshly grated cheddar cheese. Now this chopped, I'm going to make us some waffles. So I made the batter. The ingredients are in the description, so be sure to check out the description. Now this batter is cinnamon and brown sugar, it's absolutely delicious. I don't know how it was even possible to take this out, so I ended up just flipping it out. If you guys know a better way, if y'all know a better way of getting this waffle out here, please let me know. I flipped that thing out. It still came out beautifully. Alright, now we're gonna cook the onion and green pepper mixture with our sausages. Throw a little butter in there. Now while they're simmering just a little bit, we're gonna go get our eggs together. We got 4 pre-eggs we're gonna crack up. Season it up, just a little salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and we're gonna give it a whisk. Get it nice and loose, whisked up, get the flavors mixed in. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, shoot me a like, go ahead and make some comments, man. I like to read your comments, see what I need to do better. If there's any recipes you want me to make, let me know. So let's go ahead and add those into the pan. Give it a good mix. Now my grandfather would be upset with me because there's some eggs left in the bottom of the pan. See, anytime there's eggs left in the bottom, you feel like it's wasted. Eggs is wasted. So I apologize. I'm apologize now. Grate some cheese in there. Give it a nice mix. Actually turn the fire off. Turn the heat off. Actually turned the heat off. So these eggs are pretty much done. Now we plate. Now I found this delicious strawberry syrup. Pour a little bit of syrup on in there. There you have it. Got beautiful waffles, apples, and scrambled eggs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.